Okay, you guys, I have the simplest project for you guys today. It's a single cut. Granted, it's a complicated cut, but Silhouette VIPs, you should have received this in your email box today so you can download for free, of course. If you're not part of my Silhouette VIP group, all you have to do is go click on my profile link and click on VIP and you can join, or you can go to my website at karinagardner.com and click on exclusive VIP. I send you weekly freebies because I love you guys so much. And I love that you guys are making. You need to be making. It's a good distraction. It's fun to do with your kids. You should be making. And I want you to have a free way to do that. So go join that VIP group and get my free files. I also do really fun things around Christmas time, like 12 days of freebies. So anyway, this is such an easy project. Look how darling it is. So you just fold it up at the score lines. Super easy. I'm actually going to go the opposite way on it. There are really teeny little tabs on this one, you guys, because I didn't want it to get into my lattice work. But it's got this cute little hanging piece at the top so you guys could hang it, which is really, really fun. See how tiny those little tabs are? They're quite tiny, so you have to be careful with it. I was really sad I had to make them so tiny. I made them much bigger at first, but when I was designing this, after I cut it the first time, I was like, oh, it goes into my beautiful lattice work. I don't want that. So I changed it to the super tiny tab, which does pose problems because it's so small. Okay, here we go. Everything is folded, so it should go up like that. You are going to use hot glue for this project. You could use stick glue, but it's just it takes a little more time for it to dry. So hot glue is really your best bet. Get it into place and hold it in place, or make sure that it's good before you release it. You can see how nicely that glues together. Very, very easy. Let's get this other one on. Other bits of my project here. And by the way, if you are a Cricut user, join my list too, because guess what? It's an SVG file I send you guys. So it works for any machine, not just my Silhouette folks, which you guys can get all of my stuff in my Silhouette store. I have a few things on my own shop, not everything though, but I do try to do a sale once in a while on my own shop so you guys get a good deal and can make some stuff with your kids or make something for friends, people that you love. It's meant to be open. You can put a little tea light in it because it's super easy to do, and then roll ribbon through that and hang it if you want. Isn't that so darling? How cute is that, you guys? Seriously, and your machine does most of the work. You saw how fast it was for me to put that together. Okay, if you are looking for the free files, make sure and join the group. I would love to have you there. And I hope you guys are making. I really do. Hope you are distracting yourself by making, and so many of you are doing so many good things, even if the good thing is just homeschooling your kids right now. All right, I'll see you guys later.